Hey guys, scratch that shit. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we're going to be trying a new method for my curly hair routine. That's why I have this cute little bow on my head, because I wear that when I get out of the shower. Anyways, that's besides the point. But today we will be trying a new routine because I want to see how my curls. Okay, here's the deal. Let me just fill you in. My curls on the bottom, like, so if I section my hair halfway, the curls on the bottom are like, oh, I love them so much. But the curls on the top, sweetheart, like, it's not what I like it to be. So I'm gonna try a new method today, and I'm gonna see if that method helps, if it doesn't help. But I just wanted to try it out, so we're gonna try it out together. Why not? Like, I mean, and yeah, I'm wearing yellow today. I'm just, yellow is so cute. I love yellow. Anyways, if you haven't noticed, yellow is one of my favorite colors. So is pink. So I have two favorite colors, yes. But let me stop rambling, and let's just go ahead and get on with the video. Okay, I'm gonna just take this off my head. So like I said, I'm gonna try this method, and if it works, my curl's gonna be looking fire. Okay, yeah, I just got out of the shower, so my curls are not completely soaked, but like not dry, obviously. The conditioner that I use in the shower, oh my gosh, that's a look, sweetheart. If only my hair could stay like this, like it would never stay like this. If I put like maybe like thousands of pounds of what's that stuff called? Mousse. If I put thousands of pounds of mousse in it, maybe it'd stay like that. But that's besides the point. We're going to do the method today. The method, and see how it works. So I'm just gonna, this is so not even. All that is in my hair currently is the conditioner that I have in my shower, and that is the Aussie Moist. I don't know. It's purple bottle. And then it's the moist one. The moist. Do you see that? And then the top. Ugh. My hair is so annoying. And as you can tell, I'm still sick. Not sick, because like I'm getting over it, but like, yeah, whatever. So I have the Denman Brush. And today for my products, I'm only gonna use two. I'm going to use the Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream by Cantu, and then we're going to use the Curling Perfection Defining Cream from the Moroccan brand stuff. And then we're going to, yeah, use these. So let's get it started. Okay, so my hair is already detangled because I detangle it in the shower. I'm sorry, my eye was itching. Okay, so yeah, my hair is already detangled, so we're just gonna try this method and see if she works. Oh, I'm gonna get so soaked. It's whatever. It's not like I'm going to see anybody. It's not like nobody's checking for me. It's not like nobody's worried about my little self. Okay, like I said, it's already detangled, so we're just gonna go ahead and put some of this. I think I'm gonna put some more. This is thick, semi-thick. That's why I like it, semi-thick. Okay, we're just gonna spread this out. Spread it out, girl. Throughout the hair. The bottom curls are so perfect, and the top curls are just ass. Okay, so next, this method I seen from the one girl here on YouTube, and her hairs are like, I mean, hairs. Her curl. Can I talk? Please, can I talk? Her curls are gorgeous, and she like picked it. I don't know. I don't freaking know. First of all, my hands are too slippery to even hold the brush. And like, okay, I hate when that happens. Ah! And she like picked it apart. Oh my gosh, you see that? That was so cute. It was a little curl. Okay. She just kept brushing. And then she scrunched. I am a fan of scrunch. Scrunch does me good. But okay. Pick it out. Oops, got it on my forehead. Okay, pick it out. Scrunch. Let's go ahead and add in this product and repeat those steps. That's probably a lot, but you know, my hair eats it up, girl. Comment below movie suggestions that I should watch, because I'm a movie fanatic and I love movies so much. Oh my gosh, tonight is movie night. Ah, I'm so excited. I just remembered that tonight is movie night and I get to go hang with my people. I'm excited. I'm sorry. That was like out of nowhere. Okay, pick it out. Pick it out. Shake it. It got in my eye. Oh wow. Scrunch. Scrunchy. I'm excited to see what this does, because if I find a new method, I'm gonna be so happy. Okay, so this is how the curls look. Hopefully. We're just gonna put that to the side. And I'm gonna come back when it's all completed just to close out the video, so yeah. Okay, so I finished both sides, and I'm just gonna show you. I don't know what that is, sorry. Okay, that's what the curls look like. Yes, so that is what the curls look like. I am gonna come back when my hair is fully dry just to show you the results. I'm excited, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys soon. back when my hair is dry. Okay, hi guys. I'm sorry that the camera background is different, but I really don't care. I just came to show you what my hair looks like after it's dried. So this is what my hair is looking like. So over here they're like super defined. But yeah, that's how my hair turned out. Do I like it? I don't know. Will it grow on me? Probably. But yeah. Will I do this technique? Probably, yeah, again. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching and waiting and staying to see the rest of this video. If you haven't already subscribed, if you want to follow me, my social medias will be in the description box.